Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the Ollama versus LM Studio, which image generator is best. If you're exploring local AI tools to generate images on your own device without relying on the cloud, then you're probably heard about Ollama and LM Studio. Both platforms let you run powerful AI models on your own computer with no internet required after setup. But which one gives better results for image generation? In this video, I'll break down how each one works and how they handle image generation, the model they support, the ease of use, and which one might be the best choice for you. So you can easily install Llama from its website. Then you have to run it in your command setup. You have to just simply run the commands and the work will be done there. You can run it locally on your machine. It supports Mac, Windows, and Linux. The main strength of Llama is its plug and play design. You install it, type a command like Llama run, and it just works. It automatically downloads and runs models like Lava, Baklava, and other multimodal. If you want to access its library of models, you can go to its website and you will find number of different models that you can install locally and start using either for just some work other or maybe for generating images. And if we talk about the LM Studio, it also works locally. It runs large language models, and unlike Ulama, it can support a wider range of community models from Hugging Face and other resources. While LM Studio itself doesn't include a built in image generator UI like some cloud apps, you can manually load and run image models like Stable Diffusion, SDXL, or other fine tuned variants. Provide your machine with LM Studio, you have more flexibility. You can pick and load your own image model, you custom prompt and parameters, and run advanced tasks like inpainting or control nets if you configure the model environment properly. But this flexibility also means more technical setup. It's less beginner friendly than Ollama and more suited for people comfortable with installing and managing models manually. So you can see all of these are the models. You just have to simply install them and then you just have to run the commands and it will work onto it. If we talk about ease of use, so Alama is definitely easier for beginners. You install it, type one command, and you're chatting with a model. No settings, no mess. But that simplicity means you're limited to models they officially support. You can't do raw text to image generation without jumping into custom setups or wrappers. So LM Studio on the other hand gives you full control if you're willing to spend time downloading a model like Stable Diffusion, SDXL, or even StyleGAN. You can get high quality image generation fully offline, but it does take some extra steps. When it comes to actual image quality, it really depends on which model you use, especially in LM Studio. If you load a model like Stable Diffusion XL in LM Studio, you can get very impressive results. It supports high quality output, style customization, realistic faces, fantasy art, anime, and more. While Ollama again isn't built for full image creation, it's more for multimodal tasks, not prompt to image like Midjourney or Leonardo AI. So if your main goal is to create images, LM Studio gives you better visual quality, more style control, and access to the full power of open source models. So choose Ollama if you want something fast and simple. If you're more focused on image understanding or visual chat, or you prefer not to tinker with settings, and choose LM Studio if you want to generate images from scratch. You're okay with some technical setup, you want full control over which models you use and how they run. So this was all about the comparison of Ollama and the LLM Studio. We have discussed its image quality and performance comparison, its ease of use like interface and other options. and all about these platforms, like what is LM Studio and what is Ollama. Now you have the better understanding of both of these platforms and which one you think better suits you based on your experience and your need or maybe requirement of your work. You can just simply go with that option. So that was all about the comparison between the LM Studio and Ollama. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.